Okay, it's Fat Stormtrooper here. I'm just going to have a look at some of the paints I've just got. These are the Quack Canvas Wall Paint Factory New with Isotope and the Quack Canvas Wall Paint with Factory New with Cold. So I'm going to open my backpack, and in particular I was looking at trying to spruce up one of my classes, and this is the one I was trying to spruce up. Um, this is a good, nice triple effect, which has got poison shadows, a green black hole, and a green energy. But we're using a Festifier's Blitzkrieg pistol and a Thompson. Now I wish I could get an unusual Thompson, but I can't. And but a Festifier's Blitzkrieg may make a difference. So the other Engie loadout, again I'm using these Rescue Rangers and the Blitzkrieg. Overall, I don't have a lot of. I mean, I have a Quack wrench, and I've got a energy oil backwards, but and this is my Mew pistol. But I mean, this is a this guy here is my only real full loadout. So I'm going to look at sort of what else I could do in here. I'm very keen to know about, whether or not I could get some sort of unusual shotgun. So I'm going to go into the paints now. I have the latest paints. I just put paint. Okay. Woo! Where is it? Quack. Well, here they are. So this is the Isotope, the Quack Canvas Airstrike, one option, but I'm after an engineer. So the engineer thing, just looking at what other options I have for this is a Rescue Ranger. That's a nice rifle, and this is more or less one of the things I'm sort of thinking about. This is a good gun. It's a long gun with this that shows up the effect, and I'm going to redeem it. People might not agree, but I wouldn't think there'd be many Rescue Rangers around with these unusuals on. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now I guess the next question is whether to go out for a pistol or what sort of extra thing shall we go. Let's have a look at this. It's the cold Quack canvas. It's a pity we can't get PDAs. Okay, can't see much else. I'm in the wrench, but I've already got a wrench that's quite canvassed. a pistol. Bang! There it is. Oh, it's a scout. Oh, bugger. Oops. I thought, can't you use this pistol for Engie? Yeah. Why don't you scout? Well, there you go. So my Engie loadout's complete. Morning Glory, Stormy Storm, and Antifreeze. Um, oh. Okay. Peace.